Yo, what's happening all? Yeah, Action 4 and Hero 12. Man, I don't know about it anymore. I used to be so into it. That's $1,000 I have to spend just to compare both cameras because the Action 4 beat the Hero 12 out. Now, is it worth for me to go get a camera, the Action 4, as well as a GoPro? I don't think I want to spend that today, but maybe tomorrow. So if I hold off on a DJI Action 4, when will the $399.99 price drop down so it could go on sale that I could get a good buy? And we're gonna wait for that. If it's gonna be another month, 2 months, holiday time, you name it. When that camera goes down in price, and that's when I'm gonna decide. Now with GoPro, the Hero 11, you can get it as low as $299.99 at a brick store, maybe $349 if you're lucky. And when the Hero 12 does come out, the price should drop down even further. But the Hero 12 is gonna be top dollar. I'm gonna wait, let it go down, get on sale, go down a little further, and maybe months later, just like I'm talking about the Action 4, how it's going to drop in price, then I'm going to decide if a Hero 12 would be worth the purchase after. Not now, then. I consider this a low-level shot. It's dark. Yeah, the lights are on. And I shoot with the Hero 10. If I had a Hero 11, it'd be exactly identical. And if I had an Action 4, you bet, baby, won't be any different. I almost forgot what I was going to do, how I'm going to walk down the aisle. I'm doing it right. Oh, what a beautiful day it is. There's nothing like going from one Home Depot, then going to another one or a Lowe's just to get your supplies. Because these pieces down here, you know, those corner pieces that you hang the wall, don't got them. Gotta go get them now. Yeah, like I said, I gotta go from one place to another 2 hours later. That used to take 10 minutes to get to. Man, I got everything, almost, and just not the right color, but I gotta deal with what I got. I gotta do a take apart top part of the wall. I gotta put support. I gotta put some 1x3s, 2x3s. This way I could get my shelving up. Yeah, I got a lot of work, a lot of time, which you don't see.